What's up guys, Keysy back with another video. I hope everybody's doing well. So I kind of want to do something different on this channel. So every Friday I want to do probably like 5-minute Friday, if that's the title of it that I'm going to decide with. But yeah, I just want to make a video every Friday with a time limit of 5 minutes. I really hope I don't surpass it on some videos, but I want them to be like tutorials, unboxings, just like different stuff every Friday with a time constraint of 5 minutes. I feel like that'll be something really creative and something different that'll be brought to this channel and just bring this channel to a different level, because you know I don't like staying on the same level and I just want to keep progressing every time with these videos and these channels. So talking about progressing this channel and these videos, you know, sometimes you might realize that these videos are really dark and super grainy. That's because I use like this $30 light that I have right here. I bought it from Best Buy. It's only anything I could afford at that time, so you know, just buy what you can afford to make YouTube videos or whatever you create. But I recently did have the opportunity to purchase a light, and that's what I'm going to be unboxing here today. I think this will probably be the first video for 5-minute Friday, so yeah, I didn't really read the spec sheet. It's just kind of just bought it because it looked nice and it's all I could afford. So yeah, let's just unbox it and show you guys. I unfortunately didn't buy a light dome, so this is just going to be shooting down on me or straight away. I'm not going to use it for this video just yet. I'll probably use it for the next video. Say hi on it. But yeah, like I was saying, relax. But yeah, like I was saying, I'll just probably use it for the next video because I do need to set it up and everything. I need to get a light dome for it. So just gonna be unboxing it for you guys, just so you guys can see what is gonna be going on next with this channel in terms of the quality of these videos, and yeah, just progressing this channel overall. And you know, this is a little sneak peek of what's coming next for this channel as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's put like, probably over it, but 5 minutes somewhere around here in the four corners. And let's get straight into this because I want to see it already. Does it have it on this side? Alright, so this is the light right here. It says SL series, but it's... Oh wait, it's right here. Here's this picture of it, the newer SL light series. I was contemplating, I feel like this and another brand called Godox are the exact same lights. They just have different branding on them. They were the same price, just $100. So yeah, I just decided to go with the newer one because I recognize that brand more than the Godox one, and plus with the light domes of newer, I'm sure it'll fit on here a lot better. So the first thing we have right here is the power cable right there. This thing is fucking humongous. Yeah, let's put that right there. And then we have styrofoam. I hate styrofoam. Now I gotta clean it up. God damn it. Alright, so all that noise. Alright, so let's get straight into the item itself, and not, you know, all the other accessories. But yeah, right here, this is the light itself, right here. You know, I've never used this before, so I don't know exactly what I'm doing just yet, but what the fuck? Oh, alright, there we go. Take that off. It's the light itself right here, the newer SL-60W. Right there with these little buttons in the back as well. Like I said, I've never used this before, so I don't know what I'm doing right now. I do have to watch a couple of YouTube videos and set it up properly. So yeah, that's it right there. And then you have this little dome that goes above it. I really thought that I was cracked and broken. I was about to be scared and I thought I was gonna have to return it. But yeah, that's that. And it also brings a remote control for me. I don't have to get up during the video and be fixing the lights, I could just control it from this, so I feel like that's going to be really, really useful. But yeah, that's really it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to keep elevating this YouTube channel and these videos for you guys so you can enjoy them and they don't end up like absolute shit. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe if you are new or haven't already, and leave a comment down below maybe what lights you use for your videos, any type of creativity in the videos, photography thing, or maybe I don't know what else you could use a light for. Honestly, you could use a light for a lot of different things. But yeah, so let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.